So Caterpillar's history with NASA actually dates back to the Apollo program era, and Caterpillar provided electric power generation for the tracking stations around the world. So we really had a role in Neil Armstrong's words being able to be heard by the whole world. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. More recently though, starting in this 2005-06 timeframe, we've worked with them in development of automation and autonomy and remote control. That work actually has moved forward, and we can find it in some of our Command for Dozing products today. And some of that early work was the first time that we did long-range remote control. We controlled a Caterpillar 287 MTL, or multi-train loader, here in Peoria from Johnson Space Center in that time.